There are 4 places in Fusion where you can upload and store files. There's My Files, which is just for you, and then to share with others we have classes, learning spaces and school areas. I'll just go into a class, and you can see in here that this is an empty file area. The quickest and easiest way to add files here is to drag and drop files into this box here. So from my computer, I can highlight one or more files and drag them in, and you can see how quickly those upload. I can also add files via this Add File button. If I add a new file, this creates files within Fusion. And I have several options here. I can create a document, which is an internal document to Fusion, and it is actually effectively a single page website. We also have DocX or Microsoft Word documents. You can create a form or quiz file, a web link, and an audio file which will be recorded within Fusion. So just to demonstrate, if I create a document, you'll see I go into my editor. I add a title and contents to the file and save changes, and that file has been created in that class. And if I go to the class, you can see that file's here, and I can click to open and the students can view it. If I was using a tablet or a phone, or for some reason didn't want to drag files into this area, I can also upload a file using the menu. And here I choose the file from my computer. You can then see the title here and you simply upload. If I was using a phone or a tablet, if I clicked Choose File, it would take me to the phone's own file chooser menu, which may well take you to the photographs and video uploads for your device. But either way, when you've chosen all the files you want to, click Upload, and that will upload the files, and you can see it's here. You may have also noticed when I clicked Upload File, there's an option here on the right to upload and unpack a zip file. If I click on this, it gives me the option to choose a zip file from here. Now if I look at the files on my computer, I would like to upload this whole folder full of files onto Fusion. To do that, I right click, Send to, Compressed Zipped Folder. These options might be different on your computer. And you can see it's created a zipped folder called Maths Challenges. I now click Choose File here. I select the Maths Challenges zip folder from my computer, and you can see the name is here, and I upload that zip. And what it does is it uploads that zip folder and unzips it and turns it into a folder full of files, wherever you uploaded it within Fusion. So if I click into here, you can see I have all the files available to me straight away. I don't have to unzip again. Also in the Add menu, if I say New File, you'll have noticed I have some other virtual files that I can add to Fusion. So for example, I can click on YouTube and put in a YouTube share link and say Continue. And this goes to YouTube, finds that video and creates a virtual file in your file area. If I go back to here, I can add a virtual file that links to either a Zoom, a Teams, or a Google Meeting online. These all work slightly differently, but for Google and Teams you simply add the link, and for Zoom you paste in the full meeting invitation. These are very useful because once you've created a file on Fusion, you can use that file anywhere, including dropping it into homework or task lists. So that's how to add files to your file areas for sharing and your My Files area on Fusion.